Using an Old Navy gift card online is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to utilize your Old Navy gift card for online purchases. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Old Navy and press Enter. Click on the link that leads to the official Old Navy website, which is oldnavy.gap.com. Once on the website, browse through the products and add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping bag. After selecting your items, click on your shopping bag to proceed to the checkout. In the checkout area, look for the field labeled promotion code or similar. Here, you will enter your Old Navy gift card code. Carefully type in the code from your gift card, ensuring that all characters are correct. Once you have entered the code, the value of the gift card will be applied to your purchase total. Complete the checkout process by following the remaining prompts, which may include entering your shipping information and selecting a payment method if the gift card does not cover the entire purchase amount. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to use your Old Navy gift card online effectively. I hope you find this guide helpful.